Are you looking to expand the services that your shop offers or even get into a side hustle for a minimal investment? With hydrographics, the possibilities are limitless. You can dip almost anything in almost any graphic very easily and cost effectively. So with this hydrographic tank, this is just filled with water. There's no special chemical additives or anything like that. Just water. It has its own heating element, its own water pump, and basically what this does is these jets shoot water across until it comes off the end. And the reason for that is to keep the top of the water nice and clean. So when we cut our graphic, we put the dams in here, we shut the pump off, we cut our graphic to however size we need it, we put our dams in, and we lay our graphic in the water. After we lay the graphic in the water, we let that hydrate for about 1.5 minutes. And then we spray an activator over top of that, and we dip our part. This is the graphic that I'm gonna lay. This is just a random wheels graphic. There is thousands of graphics to choose from, but when I lay this in the water, I want to make sure there's no air bubbles, for one. And I'm gonna dam it just where we want to keep that area as small as possible. So now this is going to hydrate for 1.5 minutes. So now I'm going to spray a light coat of activator on this. This is just a sprayable activator for hydrographic film, and I'm going to spray this at a low pressure, about 10 psi, and just do one medium wet coat over it. So now I'm going to take my speed shape and I'm going to just dip it slowly and gently, carefully, till it's completely submerged. The rest of that graphic gets pushed out of the way. When it comes out, beautiful. So now we're going to thoroughly rinse this with hot water, clear it, and we're done. Things that you can hydro dip is really limitless. We've done everything from pistols, rifle stocks, deer skulls, hard hats, engine parts, intakes. It's really limitless, the things that can be hydro dipped. We do offer an entire kit to get you started doing this, whether you want to do deer skulls or car parts. You can do just about anything in this tank. You can dip wheels in this as well. You can do up to an 18-inch wheel in this tank. There is larger tanks available upon request for if you want to do like snowmobile plastics, side-by-side plastics, bigger parts, things like that. But most everything that we do, we can do in this little tank right here. This runs off of 110. This is not a 220. You don't need any special electrical power to run this tank. You can literally do it in your garage. You get the tank, everything included. You get the activator and 10 rolls of practice film. The cost of materials for hydrographics is very low. You will have roughly anywhere from $5 to $10 in material per part that you do, depending on size.